Hi there, welcome to my channel. This is the second class that I'm recording, and first of all let me say that I'm very happy with all the views and subscribers that the first class had. I confess that I wasn't expecting that it would be so well received, so thank you so much for watching it, subscribing and leaving a like, so thank you so much. This is the second class. I'll post a class once a month, around this time of the month. Today's class is going to be about making a self-portrait in Arcimboldo style. I'll start by explaining the painting that we will have as a reference, that is Spring. And then I'll share some other references from other artists, and then the exercises. I'll draw along with you. I will demonstrate how I would respond to the exercises. So yeah, stay tuned and let's do it. Spring is a 1563 painting by the Italian artist Giuseppe Arcimboldo, known for his imaginative portrait compositions made entirely of objects. This work, part of his four-season series, represents spring through a human face composed of lush flowers, green leaves, and delicate plant elements. The portrait is both whimsical and meticulously detailed, with each botanical element carefully arranged to create facial features, hair, and clothing. Arcimboldo's innovative approach blends naturalism with surrealism, reflecting both Renaissance fascination with nature and the artist's unique, almost modern sense of visual play. Spring is a celebration of renewal and abundance, embodying the essence of spring with its vibrant colors and organic forms, and remains one of Arcimboldo's most distinctive and admired works. Now let's analyze three elements. A lily bud forms the bridge of the nose, and there are 80 distinct plant species in spring. A peony represents the ear, and the earring is a white columbine flower. Curved lettuce leaves form the shoulder. Lettuce was one of the few food plants that grew well in the cool Italian spring. The flowers and vegetables painted with great attention to detail, reflecting the tremendous interest in natural sciences during the Renaissance. And here is a photograph that I taken when I went to Louvre. So this is the Four Seasons series. You have the winter, and then autumn, then summer and spring. In terms of references, I brought three different references. The first one is an Arcimboldo drawing. As you can see, he also represents the faces with fruits and roots of trees. Then I brought a botanical illustration by Sarah Fenton. I thought that botanical illustration would make sense here because the flowers are also represented in great detail. So if you want to, for example, add this type of illustrations as a reference for a drawing, this is a good idea. And then I brought a different type of reference. This is a Frida Kahlo Still Life. I selected this one because I really like the strong colors, the strong blue, the bright orange. I think it's a great combination. The exercises will take us about 2 hours, and we will start with a sketch, just lines, graphite pencil on an A5 sheet of paper. It will take us 15 minutes. The idea is for us to get to know the painting better, how he represents different types of flowers, pay attention to the proportions, and simplify shapes. Then the second exercise, we will draw our self-portrait, our profile self-portrait. You can use an A4 sheet of paper, and it will take us 5 minutes. Very quick drawing, just the outline, no details, just for us to start composing our drawing. Then the third exercise, we'll start applying color. I suggest you to use color pencils. I will only use 2 colors, so the composition and the drawing does not get too much complicated. I will use blue and orange. You can use other complementary colors or analogous colors, for example, red and orange or orange and yellow. You can use pink and green, for example. Those are nice combinations. Yeah, so the third exercise, we'll draw 3 flowers or plants on our portrait. It will take us 30 minutes, so 10 minutes each plant. You can draw from life or you can draw from photographs. Draw as much as you can during those 10 minutes. Then the fourth exercise, we will continue filling our drawing, now having the painting as a reference.
Start by drawing a frame. Then, draw the basic shapes of the face. And now we're going to fill it with flowers. Draw your self-portrait with very soft lines, because this sheet of paper is going to be the same one that we will use for the next exercise using color pencils. I'm going to use ultramarine blue and a dark cadmium orange. I will start by using this plant that I have in my studio as a reference. Actually, in this last drawing, I didn't take 10 minutes because I only wanted to draw this flower as my nose. And now we will continue filling our drawing with more plants. I will repeat the same flower that I drew to represent my air. And On my face, I will have the painting as a reference, so I'm going to draw small flowers to represent my face.
And our class has come to an end. I hope that you had enjoyed it. If you did so, click the button below, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you want to keep watching more content related with art, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything. Here's the first class if you want to watch it. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.